Children, today we are going to do something very interesting. Can you guess with this thing what we are going to do? Yes, these are some craft glues I have here. 5 craft glues, and I have some crayon colors over here. So, with the help of these, we are going to play a game. Or we are going to learn how to do something interesting. First, I am placing a craft glue, 1. Then, I am placing another craft glue. Then, I am keeping 1 crayon. This is known as pattern. Now, so after this, how many are there? 2. So, I am again going to place 2 crafty glues, then again 1, again 1 crayon. So this is a pattern. First 2 glue, then 1 crayon, then 2 glue, then 1 crayon. So let us do something else. Again, first I am going to keep this crafty glue, then 1 crayon, 2 crayon, 3 crayon, 1 more crafty glue. So what will come next? Children, you have done before after in your arith, so, or in your maths. So the same way this is also after before. So what comes after this glue? Crayons. So again we are going to complete the pattern, we are going to keep 3 crayons. So we have completed the pattern. So let us do something else. Now let me take 2 crayons, then 1 crafty glue, again 2 crayons, then what will come next? 1 crafty glue, then next 2 crayons. So children, these are known as pattern. Like this, you can play at your home with different kinds of pattern activity. Now we are going to do something in our school book. This is page number 38. Draw what comes next. So let us see what is here. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Then what will be next? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, then circle. Yes. So you will draw a circle. You are going to fill it up with color. Now let us do this pattern. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, then again a standing line. No, sleeping line. Yes, correct. So let us do once more. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, and we are going to take a blue color crayon and you will draw a sleeping line. Next, sad smiley, happy smiley, sad smiley, happy smiley, again a sad smiley. Then we are coming back to pattern number 4. Now we are coming to pattern number 4. Circle, square, circle, square, then the next pattern will be circle. So let us go through once more. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So next, what comes next? Circle. Then sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. What comes next? Sleeping line. Sad, happy face, sad face. Happy face means again a sad face. Circle, square, circle, square, circle. So you have to always draw the pattern and then color whatever shown is here. Suppose you are drawing circle, green. Sad face, pink. And this instruction I have already given it to you. So children, now we are going to talk about some fruits. So what are the fruits? We are going to talk about mango, orange, pineapple, strawberry and papaya. Mango is a very sweet fruit. When we get mango during the summer season. In the summer season, we love to eat mango. And there are different varieties of mangoes found in all over India. In Kolkata, if you see, there are big markets in your local markets also. You will get lots and lots of mangoes. The people are selling them. But children, have you seen the different colors, shapes and size of the mango? Some mangoes are green. When they are raw, people buy them. They make pickles with that. They make different kinds of food item with that raw mango. That time mango is sour in taste. But when the mango is ripened, that time it is sweet in taste, and with that sweet mango we make different kinds of food item. Suppose we make mango custard, mango pudding, mango cake, mango mousse and mango ice cream and so many other things with that ripe mango. In that point of time also we see that mango can be reddish green color, a yellowish color, orangish yellow color. So we find different types of varieties of mango. Now moving on to the strawberry. Nowadays all around the year in big shopping malls or in big shops we find strawberries in a box. Generally you can see the outside of strawberry there are small little pores which looks like that there are many spores. Actually those spores are 200 seeds. Yes children, this is a very exceptional case. We all know that seeds are always found inside the fruit, but this time we can see that these fruits are found outside the fruit. Strawberry is generally red in color. We love to eat strawberry, but we also use these strawberries for decorating cake, for creating different kinds of mangoes, etc. Now let us talk about papaya. Generally we eat papaya is a many seeded fruit. Means if you cut a papaya then you can find lots of seeds. Now when the papaya is raw, that time the color of the papaya is green. When it is ripe, it is mainly yellowish orange or yellowish green. This kind of color we find. Even the color of the seeds also change. When the papaya is raw, the color of the seed is white, but when the papaya is ripe, the color of the papaya is black. And papaya is very good for our stomach. So we should eat papaya in a regular way. Now next fruit is orange. Orange is basically we find it in the winter season. And during the winter season when we eat oranges, there are many benefits in the orange. Orange has vitamin C. So if you eat orange, you can boost your immunity. Not only that children, orange is a tangy fruit. So with the use of orange, we make orange juice and even we incorporate orange in different kinds of cuisines or different kinds of foods. Now moving on to the next fruit, and that is pineapple. Pineapple is sweet and sour, that kind of taste, that kind of mixed taste in there. So when we are cutting the pineapple, it comes out in a ring because the seed is in the middle part, and when we can take out that middle part, then if we are going to cut that fruit, then we are going to get rings of pineapple. And even we decorate the pineapple, we eat pineapple cake, we eat pineapple as raw obviously, but we use this pineapple in different kinds of cakes and different kinds of sweet or dessert items. Number 40. Circle the following hidden fruits in the picture below. What are the fruits here? Orange, strawberry, mango, pineapple, papaya. Here we can see this mango. So just circle it. Next, here is the orange. Circle it. Then yes, papaya. Circle. Then next, yes, pineapple. Circle the pineapple. Then yes, strawberry is hiding here. Circle the strawberry. Children, we all know about India. What is India? The name of our country is India. And we have some special symbols from which we can identify, oh, this is India. And all around the world can also identify that these are the things which are special about India. So what are the special things which we called national symbols of India? The first one is flag, then the emblem of India, then national anthem, national song, and national tiger, national bird, national reptile, national flower, national tree, and national river. There are so many things. So, one by one we are going to discuss on that. National flag of India is a horizontal, rectangular, tricolor flag. India flag has three colors: saffron, white and green, with the Ashok Chakra in the middle. In this Ashok Chakra there are 24 spoke wheels, which is navy blue in color, and it is in the center. The term tricolor, in Hindi it is called Tiranga, almost always refers to the Indian national flag. And in Indian national flag, mostly the flag is made of khadi cloth. And these three colors depict some special features about Indian flag. First, the meaning of the saffron color, which is on the top band, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth, with Dharma Chakra in the middle, which has 24 spokes. And the last band is green, and this color is the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. So these are the meanings of our national flag, which is called Tiranga. Now let us move on to the next part, national animal. Bengal tiger is known as the national animal in India. Now, tiger is an endangered species, means there are very less tigers in whole India. So we should remember that we should protect them not by cutting trees, not by cutting forest, and not by using anything which is made from animal skin. So children, always remember that we should always protect our mother nature. Now, what is our national aquatic animal? Our national aquatic animal is the South Asian river dolphin. It is mostly found in the freshwater or river dolphin, which is mostly found in the Indian subcontinent. In the Ganges river also you can find this dolphin, and the Indus river also you can find this dolphin.